Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 27 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 1791. Find the center of a star graph. Okay, so there is an undirected star graph consisting of n nodes. Okay, so if there are n nodes, let's say 4 nodes are there, so we have labeled them from 1 to n. Okay, so 4 nodes we simply means we have labeled them from 1 to 4, right? So 1 to 4, so here see node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. Okay, so a star graph is a graph where there is one center node. Okay, there is one center node and exactly n minus 1 edges. Okay, so total number of nodes are 4, so 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, right? And that simply means that there are 3 edges, right? So edge 1, edge 2 and edge 3. Okay, so that connect the center node with every other node. Okay, so you are given a 2D integer array edges. Okay, so this is 2D integer array edges where each edge u and v indicates that there is an edge between the node u and v, and we have to return the center of the given star graph. Okay, so see here, this is one edge 1 2. Okay, so this simply means that 1 is connected with the 2 and 2 is connected with 1. Okay, so we can write it like this now: 1 is connected with 2 and 2 is also connected with 1, right? So this is a undirected star graph, right? So this simply means 2 is connected with 3 and 3 is connected with 2, right? 4 2 simply means 4 is connected with 2 and 2 is connected with 4. Okay, so approach one is simple, that we can just simply use a hash map and find the nodes which are repeated a maximum number of times in all these edges. Okay, and then just print that node which is appearing max number of times. Okay, but for this approach one, my time complexity is going to be O of n, right? So see here, this is approach one solution. Okay, this is not the optimal solution. Okay, so that is why I'm just going to explain it like this. Okay, shortcut. So here first I am calculating the number of edges. Okay, then I am using hash map. Okay, then I am iterating over all the edges one by one. Okay, so first let's consider this edge 1 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, so here u is this one, right, and v is this one. Okay, so 1 is appearing one time, so here I am going to write the count as well. Okay, and 2 is appearing one time. Okay, then I am going to iterate over the next edge 2 3. Okay, so 2 is appearing two times. Okay, so here I am going to operate the count of 2. Then 3 is appearing for one time, so here I am writing 3 as 1. Okay, and then 4 is appearing 4 and 2 this edge now, so 4 is appearing for very first time, so here I am updating the count of 4. Okay, and here 2 is appearing, right? So here I am going to update the count of 2. Okay, so 4 to 2 and 2 to 4. Okay, so here see, 1 is appearing for max 1 times, 2 is appearing for max 3 times, 3 is appearing 1 time, 4 is appearing 1 time. Okay, so this is what I am doing here in this part. Okay, then after that initially I am setting this key with highest count. Initially I don't know, so that is why I am setting this value as null, and highest count I am taking as a minimum value of integers. Okay, then I am iterating over my map one by one. Okay, and then after that I am searching for the value which is highest. Okay, so here this 3 is highest now, this 3 is highest. Okay, so this 3 is highest, so for this 3 I am getting the key. Okay, so key with the highest count, entry.get key is going to give me the key, right? And in the end I am just returning this key. Okay, key with highest count. Okay, so for this my time complexity is going to be O of n. Okay, so see here, so my time complexity is going to be O of n. Okay, since I am iterating over all the values in my map one by one. Okay, and here I am iterating over all the edges one by one, so my time complexity is going to be O of n, and my runtime is going to be 26 milliseconds. Okay, so now let's move to the better optimal approach. Okay, in optimal approach I am going to solve this problem in just O of 1 time complexity. Okay, so here see here 1 is connected with the 2, right? So let's say this is nothing but my u1. Okay, and this is nothing but my v1. Okay, so here I am writing u1 and v1. Okay, so value of u1 is 1 and value of v1 is 2, right? And let's take this node. Okay, this edge. Okay, so here let's consider this u2 as 2. Okay, u2 as 2 and my v2 as 3. Okay, so this is nothing but my edge 1. Okay, and this is nothing but my edge 2, right? Okay, so now here see, every time there is going to be one center, right? Every time there is going to be one center, right? So probably in these two edges there is going to be one common node, okay, every time, because there is going to be one center only now. Every time it is given that there is one center node every time, okay. So definitely there is going to be one value which is going to match in both the edges, okay. So what I am going to do here, so see, first I am going to compare this u1. I am going to compare this u1 with u2. Is it matching? Okay, is it matching? And after that, or I am going to compare this u1 with this v2. Is it matching? Okay, so okay, this is how I'm going to compare. Okay, so here I'm just going to find the common node between these two edges. So 2 is the common node now, so I'm going to return that. Okay, so here u1 is not matching with u2 and u1 is also not matching with v2, so I am simply returning v1 here. Okay, my u1 is not matching with u2 or my u1 is not matching with v2, then I am simply returning v1. Okay, so code is going to be very simple for this one. Okay, so here int u1 is equal to edges 0 and 0. Okay, for the first edge I am taking, okay, u1, and I have to take v1 as well for my first edge. So here edges 0 and here I have to write 1. Okay, this is done. Then after that, same way, after finding this u1 and v1, let's find my u2 and v2. Okay, so here I am writing my u2, and u2 is going to be edges of 1 by 0 and v2 is going to be my edges of 1 by 1. Okay, now after that I am just going to compare if my u1 is matching with the value u2 or my u1 is matching with the value v2. Okay, if it's true, then I have to simply return u1, and if it is not true, then I have to simply return my v1. Okay, that's what I need to do. Okay, simple. So now let's run it and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Okay, and time complexity is just going to be O1, right? So now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted and beats 100% of users with Java, right? So see the time complexity, it is going to be O of 1. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.